All right, this video is going to show you how I get my inbox to zero using Todoist. First of all, you're going to need to go ahead and install the Todoist add-in on Gmail, and it is here. There is also one available for Outlook. I use that one as well because I manage a couple different emails and they're in a couple different formats. So make sure you get the Todoist add-in added. And then I've been saving up my email since 10 o'clock this morning so I could do this for you. And I start from top to bottom. So we're going to start right here. And she said, I just sent you a preview from HubSpot. Let me know what you think. Perfect. There's no action on this email because I'm going to look at the other one. So I'm literally just archiving this. Okay, and now here's my preview email of the send, and this is a 2-minute or less task, so I'm going to go ahead and do this now. Yep. Okay, I'm going to need a little bit more time for feedback on this, so I'm going to go ahead and add this one to Todoist right here, and then I will I go ahead and clarify exactly what my action is in the task content. So I need to give Elizabeth feedback on onboarding email. And I want to do that today. So I'm going to go ahead and assign a due date today. And that's a single action. It's one and done. You can assign priorities. I don't use the priorities because I get my Todoist inbox to zero every day as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add the task after I correct my spelling errors. Add task, and then I'm archiving this email. I don't need it because the email is going to pull it up, and I'll show you that in a minute. This one, I don't need it. It's just information, archive. All right, this guy, I have a meeting that's going long. Unfortunately, it's clear. Okay, can we reschedule for Monday or Tuesday? Sorry for the last minute. Yes, so I'm going to need to get him some times that I'm available Monday and Tuesday. So I am going to get Ryan some times. And I'll do that today as well. That's a single action, add task. And I'm going to archive it. And then, okay, so this is just information for me, archive. Send him this, yep. He's just acknowledging he received it, archive. And I need to schedule a time with Monday after 9 a.m. So I'm just going to go ahead and look at this really quick. I can see what I have Monday after 9. Perfect. I'm available at, she's 9 Eastern time. Oh, Mountain time, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Perfect. 9 works great for me. I will send you a calendar invite. So I'm going to here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that today as well and send it. And then this is just an invitation. I'm not going to this, I'm archiving it. And then I just got a brand new email that just came, and this is obviously garbage, junk. My inbox is at 0. Now, if you go to Todoist, you'll be able to see all of the stuff I just added that's due today is going to be here. Get Elizabeth feedback on onboarding email, get Ryan some times for Monday, Tuesday, send calendar invite to Elizabeth. And if you click on any of these, it actually opens back up the email. So you don't have to try and store the email or save it. It doesn't stay in your inbox so that you keep looking at it over and over and over again, which is the goal of getting your inbox to 0. You read the email, you determine what your action is, you either do it now or you defer it to a different time by adding it to Todoist and assigning a due date. That way I'm never reading an email more than one time.